Hello YouTube, it's Monday and everybody's mowing the yards. I don't know why I did mine on Saturday. So I didn't have to do it on a weekday. I bought these clamps quite a few years back and never did nothing with them. Well, this is leftover scraps I had from the bed railing. These holes are already in there. I think those are number 8 machine screws, which doesn't matter, little bolts. Okay, we'll show you what this looks like here. We want a little more height in case you put something a little thicker in here, and you can always change these bolts. I had carriage bolts on here one time looking at it. What I thought, if I didn't want rubber on there, this will hold like 2 pieces perfectly flat together when you tack weld them, is what these clamps are for. And I've already forgotten the measurement in between here. This thing, you could fit something in there about 7.5 inches. It's probably about 3 inches wide, but just depends what you're putting in there. You know, it could be anything. Of course, these are adjustable to go this way. So let's get these bolted on here. Show you what it looks like. These were angle iron, which I cut this part off going this direction. I welded them on first, then cut it off. So MIG welded, which made it a lot quicker and easier. Not the greatest welds, but they'll hold. I mean, this is not holding a whole lot of clamping force. It's just to hold something till you get it tacked. And that's been brushed off. I wanted to paint it so it didn't rust. So let's put it all together. We'll show you what it looks like. Demonstrate it. Okay, just demonstrate it. This is what these clamps look like when they're open. See how far that'll open up? I grab them here, it's a lot easier than trying to yank on this handle over here. And then they clamp down. Like I said, I have carriage bolts somewhere that will fit this. You could use them if you didn't want rubber on there for welding. Just if you wanted to tack something together and you didn't want it to move. And in the drill press too, you can put it in a drill press vise. You probably could put a hole in the center here for the bit to clear. But another reason I put the angle iron out was, see, so the end of the bolts and the nuts will clear there. And you can clamp it to the edge of a table. Come over to a small clamp this down if you're working. You know, adjust it to whatever you was working on so it doesn't slide around. There you go, something simple. It's made from some scrap metal I had laying around. So thanks for watching.